Well, hello. This is the Ultra Hebrides Broadcasting Corporation calling civilization, eh? And how are all my friends out in normal land doing, eh? Are you okay? Dry and hot, I hope, eh? Well, we have some grave news for you tonight. Grave news. But first, I need to deal with a sorry matter indeed. Someone has complained. Aye, following on from the complaint we got from Ofcom about the KLM music, we have another complaint. They never put their name on the complaint, but I'll hunt you down. So they've been warned, eh? And the complaint was that the news said the news is out of dead by the time they get it. Basically, I don't know what they're talking about, eh? Utter drivel by George, eh? By Jove. Now, after that, we'll go to the news, eh? Though, here's an important news flash, eh? I'm sorry to say, but Mahatma Gandhi has been assassinated. Aye, that's right. You heard it here first. Eh? First for the news, eh? OHBC. Aye, that's right, eh? Gandhi's been assassinated, eh? Man, they'll not be happy, and if you're after an Indian tonight, you've no chance, eh? Because they're all shut. Aye, they're all shut tonight, eh? Well, eh? And they said that the news is rubbish, eh? Man, do you know what I've even heard tell it? Soon, they'll be landing a man on the moon, eh? By George. Can you imagine that, eh? A man on the moon. Now, personally myself, I don't believe it, eh? That will never happen. Eh? There's more chance of landing a man on the moon than there is Glasgow Rangers being sent to the 3rd Division, eh? By George. Now, just a quick one tonight to bring you that breaking news. So it's I hear on, it's good night from me, eh? And sleep well. Rest in peace, Mr. Gandhi. Do you know Mahatma Gandhi's brother stays in Glasgow? He works in a cloakroom. His name's Mahatma Coat. Aye, Mahatma Coat. By George. By sure I'm the funny one, eh? Right on that note, rest in peace, Mr. Gandhi, and here you are.